Nothing like getting woke up to a huge lightning storm. Now, let's get a good flash. Dinero, sigue, muchos dinero in my bank account. Lots going on in the world, a lot of kicking around. Happened to me yesterday. A lot of kicking around happened to me approximately 2 weeks. Let's get a lightning strike. Strike that car, in that car. Well, the storm's over. I should have been recording. Now, completely possessed. How do I know? Lightning strike just told me I was possessed. What do I do about it? Nothing. Can't do nothing. Started at 2:30. Something happens at 2:30 I don't want to fucking talk about. Every third Wednesday, something happens at 2:30. I can guarantee you it involves Guarantee Bank. That, all my shit. Me, piece of shit. Worker bees, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. Look for a sign. Maybe seek a sign. What's this say? Can't see it. You're better off not seeing that sign. There's nothing like going around town asking for water, to use the bathroom, and have everybody tell you that you have to make a purchase to either A, use the bathroom, or B, get some water. So you can see, these walls are invisible. I prefer walls of concrete. Why do I prefer walls of concrete? No one can get to me. It is what I like to call the sociopath's den. There's only one medication for me, and it's the polar opposite of lithium. It is lead. I have no loved ones, and I hate doctors. Technically, I'm immortal. How am I? Hold on there, I don't want to ramble. How the fuck do you think you'd be immortal? Well, you got no loved ones to tell you you're sick. You got no doctor to diagnose you as sick. Eventually, you just don't want water and food anymore. So, I still want water, still want food. So I guess, still in the world. But these worker bees, they buzz. They buzz a lot. They're scared too. Scared of people who are smarter than them. Been told that, I was told that when I left the loony bin. They said, hey man, don't let anybody know how smart you are. Yes. Yes. Well, exactly. I need to go straight. In this video, deck of cards, what he says. I said it was a fucking card trick. Card tricks nobody likes. As well, there's always a smoke in a mirror. Now, Here, let me figure this out all by myself. Like I've done my whole life. Thinking of an 8. Thinking of an 8. Thinking of an 8. Eight. Pretty hard to roll. This is what we call a CeeLo. The 8. So it's 8. Can I add up to 8? One ace. Oh fuck. Alright. Is this the 8? Could be the 8. Could be a Queen of Hearts. No, it's a 3. The point doesn't work. Three sixes. Alright, after much trying, I have found the 8 of Hearts. What are the odds? What are the odds I can find the 8 of Hearts again in the deck? What are the odds? How many cards do I get to draw? Ten cards? Alright, let's see what happens. Now there's a card that flipped over. Heart. Jack, curse Jack. Is this the 8? Joker. It's 3. There it is, 8 of Hearts. Awesome. Goodbye.